Good evening, everybody. So today is my new bike reveal. I just want to show you guys what I got, and the reason we got it was my wife riding with me, and the 300L just wasn't something good for us riding. If we ride very far, um, it done good for close riding and everything, but when you ride very far, I wasn't comfortable. She's not comfortable. It's just not good for the highway riding as much or longer trips, and it's great for back roads and stuff like that, but we needed something we could ride on the street and still be comfortable and enjoy street rides, further rides, and because I don't do as much off road anymore anyway, it's just usually me and her. So the new bike reveal is a 2022 Honda Shadow Aero 750. And yes, I do have the Nelson Rig luggage on here. This is actually the dual sport bags for my CRF 300L, and yes, they're backwards. Normally on a 300L they angle like this, but they didn't look good like that, so I figured they look better angled like this, and it kind of goes with the contour of the shock absorber. And that's a Nelson Rig tank bag, which neither one of those are really proper for a cruiser like this, but for now, this will do. Hopefully I can get some Nelson Rig stuff to put on here, real good saddlebags, more for a cruiser and more room. But for now, these actually work for us. And the same with this. That's that Trails In Light bag I got up here on the tank for the tank bag. But I got about 150 miles on this thing now, and we love it. It is so smooth, buttery smooth, definitely more power than the 300L. Of course, it's a 750V twin. I did not get the ABS model. It does have a disc brake in the front and a drum brake in the rear, but the brakes work superb, even though it's a drum and it's not ABS. And that's because they actually only had one bike, and we kind of lucked into this deal. Otherwise, you have to order one, and you're talking 3 to 6 months. It's ridiculous to get anything these days. But we wanted a cruiser, and this thing is really comfortable. We have ordered a backrest for it. Definitely need a backrest. But she's already a lot more comfortable, and so am I. Uh, we rode about 50 miles today. Tomorrow we're going to ride a little more, make another video probably. So for now, I just got temp tags. But the bike is actually really nice, really smooth, plenty of power. Kind of a strange location for the key right here on the side. But it does not have a gear indicator, which I do wish it did have, but it does have a thing that shows you're in neutral. And it does have a blinker indicator up here. Low fuel, it don't have a fuel gauge, but it shows you when your fuel is low. And then your high beam indicator here. But pretty nice. It's digital. It does have a clock and your trip and your mileage on here, a little digital readout. I went ahead and put my quad lock mount on here of my 300L. So I need to get one of these for my 300L now, or put this one back, whatever. But it's pretty good. The headlight is, and the blinkers are, this is a halogen headlight, incandescent blinkers. So they're not as good as LED. It's kind of a yellow light. Could be better, but it's actually pretty good considering it's halogen. The mirrors are good. Comfort is super. Now, it's kind of strange for me riding this, actually, but of course, I did not get rid of the CRF 300L. In case anybody's going to be asking, no way. I got to keep this because this is actually, I drive this to work and back every day, and I still will. For now, until the break-in's over, I'll probably ride this a lot. But this is my go-to bike for me riding by myself, no doubt about it. Would never want to get rid of the 300L. I love it. And that hasn't changed. So this is just a bike that we can both ride together and enjoy it and enjoy some rides together on the street. And I think it's going to be great, especially when we get a backrest and a windshield. We definitely need a windshield. The bugs was pretty bad today in spots, even though it was cool. I think it was only 65 degrees. Tomorrow's supposed to be 73. It'll be a little nicer ride. But I think that's all for this video. maybe I'll get some riding footage tomorrow. We're going to go for a ride. I don't know where yet, but definitely not in the National Forest. But thank y'all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll post a link to this Nelson Rig gear because these actually do work on a cruiser. If you just need small bags, just go under the seat with the Velcro. They actually do work pretty good on the cruiser, even though they're made for dual sport. But hopefully we can get something better soon, and maybe even a better tank bag for this thing, and get set up on some luggage. But thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all in the next one. Ride on.